JJ the CPA here. Hope you're doing well. So, did you get a call or an email and it's got you interested in the employee retention credit? And now you're trying to look up additional information to determine, well, do you actually qualify? I'm glad that you're doing that because the thing to note, you as the employer are actually the only one responsible for this. So, no matter if you hire a CPA, a enrolled agent, a tax professional, an attorney, or a group that is a specialist, you always, just like anything else with the IRS, will be the sole responsible party to ensure that it was not only calculated correctly, but that you qualified. And if for whatever reason you do get the refund and the IRS does an inquiry, you would need to pay it back plus penalties and interest. Now, you don't need to be worried about it, but it would make sense for you to get educated. Be sure that you agree with whatever you're being told. You may have some additional questions, so I'm going to tell you that you've got several resources that I've given you links to in the body of this video. Most of them are free except one. Well, I'm going to give you a free executive summary. Click on the link below and look for the button that says Executive Summary. I'm going to give you a link to my playlist where I walk through every aspect of the employee retention tax credit. I'm also going to give you a link to an article where I wrote down how this all works, as well as then a link to all of the authoritative language that the IRS has put out related to this. Now, you don't have to pay for this to check it out, but I do have a seminar, instant access, over 3 hours with the PowerPoint that goes along with this. I cover it all A to Z, and then I show you step by step how to complete Form 941X, which is what you file with the IRS to then get your money back. Thanks for tuning in. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. And then don't you ever forget, you've never met a CPA quite like me. You have a great one.